E for elimination. The end of time management. After defining what you want to do with your time, you have to free that time while maintaining or increasing your income. Ferriss claims that we should forget about time management. It's a trap. You shouldn't be trying to fill every second with work. Ferriss utilizes Pareto's 80-20 principle. In any field of endeavor, 80% of results come from 20% of actions. Being selective in what you do, and even doing less, is the path to being productive. By working out which 20% of your sources are causing 80% of your problems, and vice versa, you can adjust your life accordingly. After that, Ferriss utilizes Parkinson's law, stating that the perceived importance of a task will increase in correlation with how much time has been allotted for its completion. So try to shorten your work time and limit your projects only to those that are important. The low information diet. Ferriss suggests that you must learn to be selectively ignorant. Learn to ignore or redirect all information and interruptions that are irrelevant, unimportant, or unactionable. Most information is time-consuming and redundant. You should critically assess what you look at or watch daily and establish whether it's contributing to your goals. Going on a 1-week media fast while consuming information for something immediate and important is suggested by Ferriss. Interrupting interruption and the art of refusal. Learn to be difficult when it counts. An interruption is anything that prevents the start-to-finish completion of a critical task, and you have to make sure that you are not interrupted by creating systems that limit your availability and deflect inappropriate interruptions. Don't be afraid to hang up a Do Not Disturb sign. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this, and also turn on the notification to be updated with our future uploads.